Hello everybody, my name is Marta. Here in Videotec we always try to offer a complete solution for the different application requirements. Today we'd like to introduce you our new communication box COMB, designed to make easier any installation, providing a single point where to run communication and power for Videotec cameras. The rugged construction and the use of industrial-grade components make the COMB the ideal solution for application in harsh environments and in demanding installation. Now explore with us the new COMB.
Welcome to this Videotec product presentation. My name is Luca Laghetto. I'm in charge for tech support in Videotec. Today we are going to show you one of the latest Videotec product, which is a communication box. The name COMB coming from the meaning com as communication, B as box. So COMB, quite easy to remember. COMB is not just a junction box. It is the state-of-the-art communication box designed with industrial extended grade electronics inside. COMB is entirely made in polycarbonate, which make it very resistant to all the external agents, even chemical agents. It is IK10 certified, so let's say resistant to the impact. It is certified IP 66, 67, 68 and 69, so suitable for every environment. COMB is also certified from Lloyd Register for marine environments, suitable for onshore and offshore installations. It is also compliant to the railway standard, just adding lightning protection as an option. Okay, we are going now to see how it is made inside. Okay, you can see COMB is, let's say, compact in design, so easy to manage. Weight is like 7 kilos, so quite simple to manage, to install, to do everything. Then you also have some extra space inside, suitable for any other accessories that can be useful. From the left side, we see the input. So this part is the main power to the COMB. There are three available versions, the 24 volt AC, the 120 volt AC, and the 230 volt AC. It is separated, giving this the UL certification, so suitable for the States. The other part is the communication part. Starting from the Ethernet switch, this one is an unmanaged Ethernet switch with 3 RJ45 ports and one SFP slot on the side for the fiber optic cables connection. On the top part we have the power going to the other devices, and in the center we have multipolar terminal blocks for, let's say, they are bypass for digital I/O, so inputs, outputs, telemetry connection in case you have analog devices, as well the BNC for the coaxial cables. Okay, we say that there are three versions depending on the main power. The power going out to the products is going to be always 24 volt AC. You see, this is a splice tray, which is supplied together with the COMB, and it is suitable when you are using the fiber optic cables instead of the Ethernet cable for the main system going to the, let's say, control room. Okay, COMB is supplied with its wall bracket, so can be installed to the wall, of course on the ground. and through the optional accessories like the corner mount adapter or the pole mount adapter can be installed in any position, so corner of the building or on a pole. We are going now to have a look about the possible configurations of the comb with the Videotec devices, fixed cameras and PTZ units. Possible configurations are one fixed camera with its washing kit, or up to 2 fixed cameras with their washing kits. If there is a PTZ unit, this can be connected as well with its washer pump. Another possible configuration is going to be a PTZ unit and a fixed camera. Thank you very much for your attention. We are now going to show you a small short video showing the possible installation of the comb. Thank you. Bye-bye.